For my homemade gyoza, the ingredients are dried shiitake mushroom, onion leeks, shrimps, Chinese cabbage, pork, and my dough for wrapper. Mix the ingredients all together and then
name them off as you're putting them in.
Sorry, I put the onion leeks already, the shrimp, and then the shiitake mushroom.
All going into the ground pork.
Yes, all together. And then before that, you have to mix. Before you put the Chinese cabbage, you have to mix well. It should be properly mixed all together. I use onion leeks because we have here in Philippines, we seldom have the chives, so for substitute we can use onion leeks or spring onion.
Onion leeks?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have to mix truly.
Okay, so we're mixing up
and then now we have to this one mix with the other ingredients, the chopped Chinese cabbage.
Okay. So that's the gyoza filling, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's inside the gyoza. Good to go. And then we have this, which is going to be the wrapper.
Yes.
Homemade wrapper, and then of course some flour. So we can do that. Okay, we'll come back when we're ready to start doing that then. Okay. Finished product for the gyoza filling is right there. Chef Eden just started rolling the dough. So this would be for the wrappers. It looks like she's working in a pizza shop.
You have to knead until the dough become elastic, and that will be ready for making your own wrapper, gyoza wrapper.
Looks like a workout.
Mm-hmm. Coach Anna, I'm doing workout at home also, you see? Okay.
So after kneading the dough, it looks like you have it, you're kind of rolling it in a cord shape.
Yes. And then we need to cut it into small pieces.
Okay. I'm kind of back the camera up a little bit here.
Okay.
Just, well, let's get up close on this.
To make a wrapper.
Okay, so is each one of those a gyoza? One piece of gyoza?
Yes.
Okay. You put just like rolling, just like making a pizza crust. You just dusted the cutting board with some flour, and then did you throw any flour on the dough as you were kneading it? Then
Yeah, you have to.
Yep.
Otherwise, it will stick.
Gotcha.
Okay. Next, you have to sprinkle some flour so they won't stick together. And then, like this. You have to round them again. Now
Okay,
we're
so
going to do the gyoza wrapper.
Okay, so we're just going to demonstrate
Yeah.
how to
I
make
just want
one or two gyozas, just to kind of give the audience an idea of what you're doing here.
Yeah.
And then just repeat it for all the rest. We won't.
Yeah. We will show you some of the finished product later.
You're just kind of rolling those in like a cookie shape. Kind of a round cookie shape. That's okay.
Okay. I will just show you how
Sure.
to make gyoza.
There's the filler. We should be doing lumpia here pretty soon. Make sure you kind of check back later, and we should have a lumpia video coming up here soon.
You have to make it, you must be sure that you have the right amount of your filling so it won't break.
For those of you watching, gyozas, there's other names for this, but
Dumpling.
dumplings,
Yeah.
pan stickers, whatever.
Gyoza is
stickers.
Japanese name.
Yeah.
And this one. I will make one more,
Okay.
and I will show you all the finished product was I've done.
We'll come back for the cooking portion of this also.
Just like that. It's very easy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
I
Thank
have
you.
2 gyoza already.
Excellent. Thank you. Thanks.
Now we're going to fry the gyoza. So I reheat already the pan. Put some oil, and you have to put nicely. Make sure that the pan is hot, the oil is hot. It's more easier. It won't stick. Make this one. Rinse them. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Then put some water.
And
Put some water.
is this just over about medium heat, would you say?
Yeah, medium heat. And then 30 seconds. That you wait for a while. And then put some water. Putting some water is this one. So they will be cooked properly and cover it.
For how long? Just keep an eye on it and check it
keep
periodically?
An eye. Keep an eye when the water already, no more water, you have to put a little bit more. And then wait till the water, no more water, and then that will be the time that it's already cooked. This is our finished product gyoza, ready for dinner.
Looks great.
Yeah.
Looks really great.
My
Looks
husband's
delicious.
tummy is, I can hear croak, croak, croak. He said he's very hungry right now.
Haven't eaten anything today, so I'm ready. Thanks, hon.
Okay. You can see that? My homemade gyoza.
Good job. All right, thanks guys. We'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we'll continue this journey another time. Take care.